Hey everyone, Gil here at Camp Patton Family Compound in Idaho. I'm out in the garage right now because it's raining outside, and I want to do something special for you. I'm going to do a little test. So stick around, check it out. Okay, so what we're going to be testing today is the emergency stove I put together and one of the fire starters I made for you a couple days ago. So let's get at it down here and we'll get it all set up. All right, so let me aim it down here. So I got the stove here. Got a bag of charcoal briquettes which stores nicely inside of it. So go ahead and put some charcoal briquettes in it here. Alright. These things sorted around here. Okay, so I'm going to put the this in it, try to get over here so you can see what's going on. I'm just going to kind of balance that here in this spot here. And I'll add more just briquettes around it and stuff so I can get it so it'll start up and get these things burning here. Alright, and now there we go, and it's starting to go. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put it on time lapse so you can watch it go, and when it's ready, then we'll start going to boil a pan of snow into water. All right. I'm going to move around the other side here to show you something else going on here. I don't know if you can see down in the sides here where the coals are starting to turn white and are glowing orange down in there where they've are taken off. So the coals are already going, and I could probably say I could probably go ahead and, with the amount of coals I see burning down there, plus the heat from the fire starter, I'm going to go scoop up a pan of snow and see what we can do. Alright, and now we'll see how long it takes for the snow here to melt as the coals continue to ignite and the fire starter continues to burn off. So, as you can see, the water is boiling pretty good, and not bad, huh? You could do all sorts of fun stuff on this one here. You could even, and we've done it with other ones, you even cook a steak on it. All right, so I hope you enjoy. Yeah, it is cold out here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, please click that red button down below. That says subscribe. It'll turn gray, and when it does, a little bell will pop up next to it. Click that bell, and that way you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Also, if you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Also, for these emergency preparedness videos and stuff, you really should share them with your family, your friends, your neighbors, your coworkers, anyone you know, so that they can get prepared for emergencies. And the reason why you want them to get prepared, because you don't want them coming after your supplies and taking them from your family. All right? So as always, stay happy, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.